How to fix Steam running slow or lagging on Windows. 1. Delete the web browser cache and cookies in Steam. 2. Clear the download cache. 3. Clear the Steam cache at c /users/username/appdata/local/Steam stored on your computer. 4. Modify your proxy settings. To do so, uncheck the Use a proxy server for your LAN option. 5. Verify the integrity of the game files. 6. Update the graphics driver to its latest version. To do so, try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Repair the Steam app. Change Steam's priority, high, in Task Manager.